So how's this for a big piece of news in the electric vehicle market? The Tesla Model Y was the top selling vehicle in the world for 2023. Beat Corolla, beat F-150, beat everybody based on registrations. Now, the other piece of news is China, as a manufacturer, as a manufacturing country, was top for the first time ever as a country. So a lot going on in the transition of the automobile market, both in what types of vehicles are being sold, where they're being produced, electric vehicles, gas vehicles, hybrid vehicles, and you're going to see. You will be back in your video in just a few seconds. In the meantime, remember that actualhuman.com offers you live one-on-one private video consultation with an expert in this exact subject. We want to listen to your story. We want to hear your questions. We want to give you expert advisement of your options and tell you what we know about your particular situation. Now back to your video. More and more of these evolutions where more and more vehicles will be electric, more of them will be coming from China. It'll reduce the price. We expect that used Teslas will be at $10,000 in the used car market within the next year. So it's going to make for a much different used car market down the road, because even if you didn't want an electric vehicle, if you wanted a used car, and a gas car is going to be 25 or 30,000 and a used Tesla is going to be 10,000, you might say, why not just buy one of these every couple years? It'll be cheaper than buying a used gasoline vehicle. I know you have thoughts about this. Put them in the comments. Let us know what you think. Thank you for watching. Remember, you can access live one-on-one personal consultations with a licensed private investigator, a licensed commercial insurance broker, licensed certified real estate title examiner, also a certified civil court mediator. So if you have a need to talk to an expert in any of these fields, or even a licensed building general contractor, you can click the link below, actualhuman.com, and arrange a live one-on-one undivided attention with a licensed expert where you can ask any questions, get information about your situation, and we'd be glad to help.